at the park, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm going to climb the monkey bars because obviously.
Okay. I'm gonna go to swings.
Don't go to the swings. There's mud over there.
Ooh, yeah, you're right. Those ain't monkey bars.
Don't tell me what they are. I know what they are.
Those are monkey's bars.
You want monkey's bars?
Those are monkey bars.
Oh, my face. Oh.
Are you sure?
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna do better than you.
You know that's not fair because if you let go, you can fly.
Yeah, you're right. I could glide. You are a monkey, dude.
Of course I am monkey. I told you I was monkey.
Climb up those. Dude, you're short.
I know I am.
Dude.
Yeah. Woo.
You can do it.
I'm up so high.
I don't care about you.
Hey, bird.
What? Dude, that's disgusting.
You do it from the sky and no one says a word. I'm sitting up in the sky.
You're sitting up in the sky, but I could do better than you. I'm gonna.
Right to the next one. Good job.
No, I'm not gonna fly this time. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, you come over here and do it. Get on here. Come on. Are you some type of octopus? Are you an octopus?
I am not an octopus. I am a fighter.
You're Fighter, the main character of this stupid channel. Dude, you fell. Oh. Dude, save yourself.
I am saving nothing. I cannot move.
Dude, go get him.
I think I broke a butt cheek.
Well, I'm gonna go back to climbing.
Oh, I'm so hurt.
Well, you should have thought about that. Hey, come up here with me.
I cannot do it.
Yeah, you can.
Let me try.
Dude, there's...
Are you okay?
Oh my god, I think I broke my back.
I told you this place is dangerous. You will not listen.
Yeah, I guess I didn't listen about that. Dude, go down the cool slide.
But why?
Because I'll give you $1.
Okay. Ow! Ow!
Dude, you okay?
No.
You broke your back?
I think so.
Well, I'm gonna go back on the monkey bars.
Why do you think this is fun?
Because it is, dude. It's so much fun. Oh yeah, these are monkey bars. You back? Back?
Oh, my back, my neck, my back. I think
back up
everything
here.
has a crack.
Oh, yeah. Did you break your mother's back?
Oh, no.
You should not have done that. Come on the true monkey bars. These are real monkey bars.
I made it. Ready?
Wow.
Ha!
Dude, how'd you do it? I could try. Ah!
I don't think you're supposed to lay there.
I think I broke my back.
I'll pick you up. Are you alright? Let me sit you here. You fell it on again. Hang on, I will get you.
Get me. Oh my god. I think I broke my back.
Really
My back. There's an ant. Ant.
And your mama.
This is awesome, dude.
That was an injury.
You think?
Yes, it was.
I'm gonna do some more monkey bar climbing.
I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, you're right, dude. I'm gonna come down.
I think we need to leave now. I can't feel my legs.
You can't? Oh god, we gotta get to the hospital, man.
Yep, let's go to hospital.
Okay.